my hatch isn't done up. Are you cranky at me, Goose? Alright, we're going to go and check up the upper reaches of Conjola Creek to see where this water's going and comes from. Had a bit of R&R during the day. It's coming on to the afternoon. Left or right? I guess we'll chuck our lefty, see what's up here. Well, that's what's up Gulu Creek, off Conjola Creek. A big log that's a dead end, and I think it's the end of the bay anyhow. Come out of Gulu Creek and we're heading back up to the upper reaches of the Conjola Creek, and that's Murray's Road Bridge right there. Hey fellas, having any luck? Right. Oh well, keeps it busy until you get the big ones, eh? Luncheon Creek. Coming off Conjola Creek. Are you cranky at me, Goose? This looks like the beginning or the end of Conjola Creek. There's loads of cows over there. Well, this is the end of Conjola Creek. You get greeted by a pile of mooers. Moo! 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 Gotta be doing your mooing. Moo! Come on, guys. You can moo. Come on, I call you mooers and look at you. You stunned mullets. Silent as the fish in this water. Especially the mullet ones. Oh, hello. Hello. One of you's gonna moo? Moo. No? Alright. New Year's later. Hey matey. We're just passing through. You're doing a good job. Good on ya. Well, this might be the end of Conjola Creek for us. Unless I bring the chainsaw. I don't think my little handsaw's going to get through there. Hey? Can't get through there?
The first tree, yeah, but not the second.
Okay. Yeah, it requires portage. And I don't want to slush around in this boggy mess. That's as far as Conjola Creek goes for us. Hey, you having any luck? Not yet? No, well you're trying, that'll get you there. Good luck with it.
Did you go up the upstream, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Just went
How
and
far did you go?
all the way to as far as the kayaks would take us.
Yeah.
Hey?
Hard to bridge,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah.